Hi learners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to tell you about my best friend. Let's begin. My name is Eliza. My full name is Eliza Mai. I live in California. I have a best friend. Her name is Annie. We are best friends since childhood. We are 22 years old. We are like sisters. We do everything together. We go shopping together. We eat food together. We watch movies together. We love to spend time together. We always have fun. Annie and I work in the same office. We are software developers. We love our job. We work hard every day. Our office is big. Many people work there. But we always sit together. We help each other. Sometimes, work is difficult. But we never give up. We solve problems together. Our boss likes us. He says we are a good team. We always complete our work on time. After work, we go home together. Our houses are near each other. It takes only 5 minutes to walk. Sometimes, I stay at Annie's house. Sometimes, she stays at my house. We cook food together. We watch TV. We talk a lot. We never feel bored. We celebrate all festivals together. On Diwali, we light lamps and pray to God for happiness. On Christmas, we decorate the tree and thank God for His blessings. On New Year, we have a party and meditate to welcome peace. We love to celebrate occasions. It makes us happy. On my last birthday, Annie gave me a diamond ring. It was very beautiful. I was very happy. I hugged her. But one day, I lost the ring. I was very sad. I searched everywhere. But I did not find it. Annie told me not to worry. She said, "We will find it." After some days, I found the ring in my bag. I was so happy. I told Annie. She smiled and said, "I told you, don't worry." We laughed a lot. We believe everything happens for a reason, and we always trust in the universe. We love to travel. One day, we planned a trip to Thailand. We were very excited. We packed our bags. We took a flight. When we reached Thailand, we saw beautiful beaches. The water was blue. The sand was soft. We walked on the beach. We played in the water. We took many pictures. We also ate Thai food. It was very tasty. We enjoyed a lot. We also visited temples and prayed for peace and happiness. We meditated near the sea. It was the best trip. Sometimes, we also go on work trips. Our office sends us to different places. Once, we went to New York. We had a meeting there. We also visited some places. We saw Times Square. It was full of lights. We ate pizza. It was delicious. After the meeting, we returned home. It was a good experience. During our trips, we also like to visit spiritual places. We believe in positive energy and always seek peace. We have many hobbies. I love reading books. Annie loves painting. She makes beautiful paintings. Sometimes, she paints for me. I love her art. We also love music. I play the guitar. Annie sings songs. Her voice is sweet. We enjoy music a lot. On weekends, we go to dance classes. We love dancing. It makes us happy. We also like cooking. We try new recipes. Sometimes, the food is tasty. Sometimes, it is not. But we always have fun. We also practice yoga and meditation. It helps us feel calm and connected to the universe. We also have other friends. Our friend Jake is very funny. He tells jokes. He makes us laugh. Our friend Lisa is very kind. She helps everyone. We all go to picnics. We play games. We talk a lot. We have a great time together. Sometimes, we all meditate together in the park. It makes us feel relaxed and happy. Annie and I are lucky. We have a strong friendship. We always support each other. We never fight. If one of us is sad, the other makes her smile. We share everything. We keep secrets. We trust each other. We believe in karma and always try to do good for others. Our friendship is forever, and we thank God for it every day. We also have many plans for the future. We want to travel to many countries. We dream of visiting Paris and seeing the Eiffel Tower. We want to explore Japan and enjoy cherry blossoms. We also want to start our own company. We dream of having our own software business. We believe we can do it. We also want to buy a house next to each other so we can always be close. We hope to learn new skills, like playing the piano and learning new languages. We want to grow spiritually and continue meditating every day. We believe in positivity and want to spread happiness to everyone. Our future is bright, and we are excited for all the adventures ahead. We also think about our life partners. We dream of finding kind and loving partners who understand us. We want them to be caring and supportive. Annie and I always talk about our future weddings. We want to have beautiful ceremonies with family and friends. We dream of a happy married life where we still remain best friends. We want our partners to respect our friendship and support our dreams. We hope to find partners who also love to travel, meditate, and enjoy life with us. We believe that true love will come at the right time, and we trust the universe to bring the right people into our lives. Now it's your turn. Who is your best friend, and what do you do together? Comment below in your own words.